All right. And I know one of your big singles that you were pushing last year, even into this year, was Is a Jamaican Ting.
Yeah.
All right. How did you come up with that there? I even seen the video. I like the video. How did you come up with it?
So it was myself and DJ Buddha. It's a single from both of us, right? He had the track, and we did a whole album together, and a whole heap of unreleased music that stuff come out. But like, I was just writing for the track in the studio, and I was like, yo, what more I say? What more I talk about? And I did the verse first. That sentence, "Return of the Black Heart Man," was just stuck in my head, and I knew I had to start the song with that. And when I get messages like that, I don't ask a question. I just follow. So I did the verse, and I had some other little idiot chorus there. Buddha came in and he listened to the chorus. He's like, "What the hell is this?" I'm gonna say, "One beat," and him say, "No man, you want to dance with it a little bit more." I'm gonna say, and him hum something, that was similar. I'm gonna say, "No, if I move this note here, I move this note here, then it can sound so." And I did it, and so there are no effects on my voice or anything, It's just no, Sam. A lot of people think it's a different person to the chorus, but it's just that is the thing what artists sometimes step away from. It's that playfulness that music has. It's something that you have to try and nurture and never lose. Because that is where the magic is.
Makes sense. And then I know right now your newest song for 2020 right now is a song you did with Shaggy and Beenie Man, 12 Days of Christmas. So basically that song should be playing right now in heavy rotation because we're so close to Christmas. How did that come from?
Shaggy called me. I was on my way. I was going to TV because I do a live show on TV here in Jamaica. And I was on my way to studio that day. And him called me and he said, "Yo, DJ, what go on?" I said, "I go do this." And he said, "Shaggy." I said, "Shaggy? Which Shaggy?" The man said, "Craigy T, I idiot. What Shaggy you do?" Sorry, boss. All right. Oh, I go on and the man say, "Yo, him have a song. Him doing a Christmas album, and there's a song that him think that my voice would suit perfectly." And I was like, "Okay." And he said, "If you're interested, just tell me when, because I have the studio for such and such a amount of days. Tell me which day you can come through and do the song." And I said, "Shaggy, if I'm interested, are you kidding me? Like, Shaggy and him, and more than that, like, we have been in the business for so long. All you have to do is say go, and I'll be there." So I'm gonna say, "Yeah, man, I have TV." I think that was a Tuesday. I have TV Tuesdays and Fridays. I say I have TV Friday. Right after the show, I would just come through. Or no, I think it was the next week Tuesday, because I wanted to be there at the beginning of the week instead of at the end. I think it was in studio from Sunday to Sunday. So I'm gonna say, all right, we'll just come in the Tuesday and and shut it. And I went there. I loved the chorus, and it just so happens that I could deliver it, and it was rest is history. I think Tony Kelly recommended me to him.
Yeah, because again, that's another thing there. You've worked with both brothers, Dave and Tony Kelly. You guys worked with basically every hot producer you could think of, even if they were young at that time and became hot after the fact. It's so crazy.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusichut.com.